Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next intraday session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Before starting our analysis, let's see what is our view in the last week and what exactly happened. See, in the last week, our view is below 45,600, XABCD will get activated and targets are 45,060, 44,900, 44,600. Now let's see exactly what happened. That is, our view is exactly index tested this level, this resistance area from this level, and from here it has given a straight fall of more than 1200 points. Now let's see the analysis of Nifty. Here I am using Nifty weekly chart. As you can see, last week's candle is a spinning top. That too, it formed inside this week's candle. So what is our view in the last week? In the last week's video also, we discussed about the same thing. That is, if we see a close below this candle low, then this spinning top and this inside candle will get activated. Now, this week's candle is exactly, it closed below this level. I will zoom it, you can clearly see. This week's candle closed exactly below this level. That is, it has given a breakdown of this candle and also it has given a close below this candle. So this spinning top and this inside candle is now activated. Now we need a confirmation. For that confirmation, in the coming days, if Nifty starts trading below this level, what is this level? This is 19,300. This level is 19,300. If index starts trading, Nifty starts trading below this 19,300, then we can directly short Nifty for the targets of 300 to 500 points. We will see the levels in the lower time frame. That is, we will now shift the time frame to daily and see the important levels. This is the daily chart of Nifty. Now we can see what is the trend in Nifty right now. It is buy and dips. That is, it is making higher highs, higher lows. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and again higher high, higher low, and again higher high. Now Nifty stopped making these higher highs. Here lower low, lower high, lower low. Now we need a confirmation for this price action. For that, exactly on last trading session, that is on Friday's trading session, Nifty took bounce from this 19,300 level and it has given a price action like this. Now the confirmation is, if you see a price action, that is this breakdown of this level, this is also 19,300, which we have seen in the weekly chart also. So below this 19,300, we will get a confirmation of this price action that index, this complete uptrend is now invalidated and the new downtrend is started. For this impulsive move, we have seen a correction till here. This is 0.5% of this impulsive move. Exactly from the 0.5% only, we have seen a pullback now. This is not a impulsive move, this is a pullback. This downtrend line, this trend line is holding Nifty's complete downtrend. So even if Nifty tests this level, what is the level? Which is near 19,700. So we can take it as 19,650 to 19,700. This complete area will act as resistance for Nifty in the coming days. So even if index, that is, even if Nifty tests this area like this, and from here in the lower time frame, if you see a price action, something like this, then we will short Nifty from this level directly. What if index opens flat somewhere near here? Even if index opens flat and moves upside, we will short Nifty. Even if index opens flat and spend some time here and break this level, from here also we will short Nifty. Long will be only above 19,800. That is this level. So our long view is only 19,800. What is the high probability trade? High probability trade is on the downside only, because now the trend is shifted from buy and dips to sell and rise. For that we need a confirmation. The confirmation is only below this level, 19,300. In all the three time frames, this area is the key area, which is 19,300. In weekly chart, this area is the key area. In daily chart also, this 19,300 is the key area. In hourly chart also, the same thing we are seeing, that is this 19,300. Below this level, this ABCD pattern will get activated. And as per ABCD pattern, what are the levels on the downside? So on Monday or in the coming days, if Nifty starts trading below 19,300, then our targets on downside will be 19,055 is the first target, and the second target on downside is 18,880, and our long view is only above this level, which is above 19,800 only, we will long Nifty for the targets of 19,900 and the 20,000, which is the all-time high. If Nifty opens gap up or gap down on Monday, we will update you the new levels in the live market in our Telegram channel. To join our Telegram channel, use the link below in the description box. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here I am using Bank Nifty daily chart. As you can see here also, the price action is higher highs and higher lows. That is impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. Here we have seen a shift in the price action. Here we have seen a breakdown of this price action. This candle has given a breakdown of this swing low and also closed below this swing low. And the very next day we have seen a bounce from this level. That is on Friday session we have seen a bounce from this 44,500 level. Now what is our view for the next week? As per this price action, here this pattern got activated, XABCD pattern got activated, but we need a confirmation for this because we have seen a bounce on last Friday session. We need a confirmation. The confirmation is below 44,500. So in the coming days, if Bank Nifty starts trading below 44,500, then our downside targets will be, the first target will be 44,080 and the second target will be 43,780. This 43,640 to 43,780 will act as important support for Bank Nifty in the coming weeks. Shift the time frame to lower time frame, that is hourly time frame, and see the important levels for the intraday levels for the Monday's trading session. See here the price action is changed. In hourly time frame also, this higher highs price action changed to lower lows. Here higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low. Now this, that is, and if Bank Nifty has given a breakdown of this higher low, now the price action is shifted to lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Again, what is the confirmation? Below this level. If Bank Nifty gives a breakdown of this lower low, then we can see more fall in Bank Nifty. So what are the levels for the Monday's trading session? This level, which is 44,200. Below 44,200, we will short Bank Nifty for the target of, the first target will be 44,080 and the second target is 43,780. And our long position, this trend line is holding this complete downtrend for Bank Nifty, so our long will be above this level, which is here 45,100. So above 45,000 only will long Bank Nifty. Above 45,100, our first target will be this swing high, which is 45,600, and our second target will be 46,000. This swing high near here. These are the levels for Bank Nifty for the next week and for the Monday's trading session. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.